Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonia Greyson-Newman, and I help women jumpstart their life, get their sassy back and live the life of their desires. And one of the most important pillars for our life is our health. And I'm going to share with you today something that I make on a regular basis to build up my immune system. And I've shown this before on my Instagram, and people have asked me, can you share how you make it? So today I'll be making my lemon ginger honey drink. I also add garlic to it as well, which I'm not sure if I've shared that before on Instagram. So I'm going to show you how I put it together. But first, let's talk about some of the ingredients. So we have here some ginger, we have some lemons and limes, we have honey, and we have some garlic. Okay, so what have I done here? In here I've got my lemon and ginger and limes soaking. So I'm washed them in apple cider vinegar, and apple cider vinegar is good for taking off pesticides and so forth off your fruits and vegetables. Ginger's really good. It's good for digestion, it's good for your immunity, it has antibacterial and antifungal properties, and it's also really just good for your immune system. It's really good for your digestion as well. So next we have lemons. We know that lemons are full of vitamin C. These also help to boost your immune system as well as fight off infection. Okay, so that's what we're trying to do. And then I've got limes. Limes, very similar to lemon, full of vitamin C, and they help with alkalizing the body. And in an alkalized body means that it helps with the healing process. And of course we have garlic, and garlic is very good for antibacterial, antifungal properties. And yeah, very good. It's one of the things that will really help detoxify the body. And then of course we have honey. Again, honey is great for soothing, especially if you've got a sore throat or something. It's very good soothing energy. And it is said that honey was used in the by the ancient Egyptians for medicine and healing purposes. So you've got all different types of honey. You've got raw honey, you've got manuka honey, you've just got your standard honey. Whatever honey you can get hold of, use it. I mean, right now things are limited, so just get what you can. So I'm probably going to use about 5 or 6 garlic cloves, and these are quite big cloves as well, but it does give the drink that extra. And some people don't like the taste of garlic, but it is really good for you. So growing up in a Jamaican household, ginger for illness, limes, honey, they were staple. If you weren't feeling well, there was always ginger tea. That was one of the staple teas. I'm sure those from the Caribbean, you can testify to that. Most of what we need for our healing and well-being is found in Mother Nature. So make sure you take advantage of all the fresh fruits, vegetables, herbs and spices that you can get your hands on in order to boost your immune system and keep well. Now you can peel your ginger, but as I've washed it and soaked it in apple cider vinegar, I'm going to use it as it is. So how much ginger do you use? Well, for the batch that I'm going to make today, I used probably a size just a little bit bigger than this. So if I put this up to my face, you can see sort of the size of it. I suppose I should measure it, but again, coming from a Jamaican household, we don't measure too much stuff, we just cook. So I put it in here, cut it into pieces, which will make it easier to blend. this water, you can really smell the zest of the lemons now. I've got some filtered water and I will add that. So after that's blended, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this to a pot of water and let it simmer for approximately 10 minutes. And here's the consistency if you want to just have a look. So that's lovely. That's ginger and garlic. Oh, it smells wonderful. So what I'm going to do is just take a lemon, slice it. That looks wonderful. Just going to juice all 4 of the lemons. Right, so now that the ginger and garlic has finished simmering, I'm going to transfer it in this bowl, strain off the ginger and garlic, and then add the honey and the lemon. So there you have all that ginger and garlic, and what you're going to do is just going to keep pressing there to allow all the extra fluid to drain off. Juice of the 4 lemons and the 2 limes in this juicer, okay? And this squeezed out already. So I'm just going to add those in here now. And then what I do is I add some of the pulp, because I love when I'm drinking this, you know, that I get, you know, just the texture of the bits. Well, I'll use quite a lot of honey. Again, it's not just for the sweetness, it's for the medicinal and health benefits of the honey as well. And I'll just have a little taste of this. Perfect. This has got to kick. So you want to taste the garlic, you want to taste the ginger, and you also want to have the smoothness of the honey against the sharpness of the lime and lemons. So once this has cooled down, I'm going to transfer it into these 3. So I've got 2 bottles and a jug. And that will pretty much keep us going for a week. You can have it hot, you can have it cold, you can add apple cider vinegar to it. You can add, you know, as you can either add it to the bowl or to each glass. I prefer to add it to each glass, and therefore you kind of know how much you're getting in each measure. You can add mint to your glass before you add it and have it hot. So yeah, very medicinal. Try not to spill it everywhere. And here you have it, guys. Ginger, garlic, lemon, honey, lime, health drink. And as I said, you can have this hot and cold. I tend to have some twice a day, morning and night time. Again, just something to boost your immune system. So if you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribing. And if you'd like to see more drinks like this and more healthy tips, please do let me know. And don't forget to comment. Let me know if you make this drink or suggest drinks that you like to make to boost your immune system. There's another drink that I like, which is turmeric, so I might share that one next. Let me know what you think. Anyway, do take care, look after yourselves and be safe.